Hi everybody, this is the first episode of Cooking with Krausso. This is a test run. I'm going to try something new. This is a recipe that I completely made up on my own, and we're going to get into it. What I like to call it, this is the Fiesta pot roast. Arriba! Alright, that was a creepy stare, sorry about that. So, here are our ingredients for the Fiesta pot roast. This is a slow cooker recipe. We got our nice beef chuck pot roast boneless. We got 2 things of fajita stuffs, peppers, red peppers, green bell peppers, some onion in there. We got our slow cooker liner right here, so we're gonna be using that for the first time. Some taco seasoning, salt and pepper, beef broth, low sodium, and this is for later. This is the cream style horseradish sauce. I don't know if that's gonna work with this. This might turn out completely terrible, so we're gonna see how this goes. I'm just gonna make it up on the fly. So what we're gonna do first is get our liner in there. So this is not your average cooking show. I have a messy kitchen. I've got pots and pans everywhere. It's the way I like to cook, okay? A messy kitchen equals a messy meal, and that's how we do it here. So the first thing we're gonna do is put this slow cooker liner in here. Never used these before. There we go. All right, we did it, guys. So now that we've got the liner in, I don't think I'm doing it quite right. But it's hanging on there, so I guess that's all that matters. And we're gonna put in, the first thing we're gonna do is put our veggies in right here, okay? So we're gonna put these bad boys in. All right, so we've got our first tray of veggies. That just goes right in like that, okay? Boom. We're gonna do 2 trays of veggies, because why the hell not? I'm gonna mix it up in there a little bit. Get them onions, all them peppers. This is gonna be good, guys. All right, let's get this in there. Boop. Just going Veggie Central on this one. This is what makes the fajita pot roast so delicious. I actually have no idea because I've never cooked this or made anything like this. So basically testing out, that's a lot of freaking veggies. Okay, I might have got too many veggies. Don't tell you, Mims. We're gonna mix this bad boy up. Right in here, dude. Oh my god, there's a lot of veggies. Okay, there's our little bed right there. So a lot of people say to sear your meat before you cook. I'm not a fan of that idea. Just because I really don't know how to sear. I mean, I do, but I just don't care. And I don't want to do that. And that would mean I'd have to clean one of these pans, and I don't want to clean one of those pans. So we're going to get our beef broth here. We're going to dump that right in. Beef broth and vegetables. It's kind of grimy. Okay. Smells like beef. Wow. That away. On to the meat. Here we have our USDA choice beef chuck pot roast boneless. Oh my gosh, this is a big old hunk of beef, dude. It's a big old hunk of beef. So what we want to do here is just salt the heck out of this thing. Salt makes the world go round, everybody. Lots of salt. Got it. Pepper. This one we're gonna do the big hole like that. That's what she said. All right. Salt and pepper. And what I'm gonna do is take this whole thing and flip it in there. And then we're gonna salt and pepper the other side. We're gonna add our last ingredient, okay, everybody? So I'm gonna pick this thing up. Oh, it's a good piece, man. We're gonna put it in there on our bed, just like so. We're going to salt and pepper the other side here. No searage on this, no searage. Beautiful. Little pepper. Oh yeah, final ingredient, everybody. Right here. And we just get that thing in there. That's not exactly what I wanted to do, I don't think. It smells good, but I might have just screwed this whole thing up. Trying to get it down on the sides, dude. I should have... Okay, well, so we have a taco seasoned frickin' piece of pot roast. I think I screwed up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the lid on this thing. We're gonna start it up. We're gonna go low and slow, 8 hours, and we're gonna check it throughout the day. That taco seasoning mix might have been the wrong move. We'll have to find out. I don't know. We'll have to find out. Give me the lid. Here's what it looks like, all ready to go. And we're gonna hit that bad boy right on low. We got the taco, the liner on there, the taco seasoning on top of the beef. We'll see how that kind of marinades in there. Since it's a powder, I don't know, maybe with the fats and the juices. We'll have to see, everybody. So that is how you get started on the Fiesta pot roast. Arriba! Back in a little bit, we'll check on this bad boy. All right, everybody, time for a curveball. I want to get this taco mix kind of in a liquid. It looks all right, so let's take a look at it right now. Let's see what we got. So that's what we're looking at right now. It's getting in there, but what I want to do is just kind of hit these little areas where that taco mix needs to get in there. Beautiful, beautiful, and beautiful. Just a little water, just a little water. Let's maybe hit the. Okay, whoops. All right, cool. So that's where we're looking right now. We're an hour and 50 minutes into the cook, and we're just gonna leave that going. All right, we are 3 hours and 15 minutes into the cook. Let's take a little peek-see. Ooh, that is looking mighty fine, dude. Oh my gosh. It smells divine. I think I did something here, guys. I'm pretty pumped. I look good. Another 5 hours to go. Whew. All right, we are 5 hours, 40 minutes into the cook. What I'm gonna do is put a flashlight on because some of that footage was kind of hard to see. I'm gonna take this lid off real quick. Oh my God, you can hear it. You can hear it bubbling. Okay, so here we go. This is what we're looking at right now. All that meat is falling apart. And ooh, look at that steam coming off. Ooh. We got the little veggies over there cooking in the broth and the fats. The fat is just falling out of that meat right there. It looks fantastic, everybody. It smells so good too. I mean, pretty much like taco seasoning, but I mean, it's all right. So yeah, 5 hours 40, let me see here. 5 hours, 40 minutes into the cook. I'm gonna do another 2 hours, pull this thing out, plate it up, and kind of see what we're looking at. I wish I bought tortillas. I really wish I bought tortillas, but I didn't. So we're just gonna go in with a fork and we're gonna do this thing up. So stay tuned, see you soon. All right, everybody, I think we're done. Let's pull this top off. This is what we're looking at right now. The beef looks good. It's been boiling for quite some time now. Oh, that looks fantastic. Let's get that out of there. All right, it's time to pull some of this out of here and see what the hell it looks like. Okay, so we're pulling out this beef. We're gonna set it right here. So what I wanna do is just take a little bite skis. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right, let's see. I feel like that taco seasoning isn't working well. Let me see. It's very fatty. Okay, it's quite delicious. So, I want to dig in here. I know you can't really see, but I want to get some of these peppers and onions. We're going to put that on top. Let's get some peppers. It's delicious here. Oh my God, the beef is just falling apart. Okay, this is where I would normally put in the I'll do the horseradish with it, which I'm going to. But let's see here if I can get this in. Okay, so we got ourselves a little bite right here. You can see the beef right there, nicely cooked. And then you got yourself a bite with a ton of peppers and onion right here. Fresh out of the slow cooker. I know I've said it before, but that is divine. So tasty. This fajita idea might have been one of the best things I've ever had. So we call this the Fiesta pot roast, and I'm gonna use this horseradish. Let me get a little shot of this horseradish. Right? So what we have here is horseradish with the beef, the peppers, the onions, and that whole deal. I love horseradish, so. Ooh. A little spicy. Oh, it's hitting the nose. Ooh! Guys, I did it. This is a winner. This is an absolute freaking winner. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is the channel where we make up recipes. We don't know what we're doing. We have zero cooking experience, and we try to make the best of it. I have another video planned. I have another meal planned. We'll see how that goes. It's going to be a little interesting. But I might actually have a cameraman next time too, so we'll see what's up with that. I hope you enjoyed this content, and I definitely recommend this. Go ahead and get these ingredients, do your thing, and slow cook. Slow cooking is the wave of the future. I mean, it's already been done for years, but oh man, what an easy meal. So easy to make, and definitely recommend you guys do that. So without further ado, I'm out of here. Later.